Prime Minister Xanana has traveled to Singapore to take part in the third round of negotiations on the maritime boundary between Timor-Leste and Indonesia. This third round of negotiations is a continuation of two formal negotiation rounds already held in 2025, in August in Dili and in December in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Timor-Leste's delegation to these negotiations is led by the Executive Director of the Land and Maritime Boundary Office and current Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister's Office, Elizabeth Expostu. Timor-Leste and Indonesia enjoy a close and lasting relationship and are considered a global model for reconciliation and constructive partnership. As neighboring countries sharing land and maritime boundaries to the north, west, and east, both nations have an obligation under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea to delimit their overlapping maritime areas in order to clarify the extent of their sovereignty and sovereign rights. Maritime boundaries are extremely important for Timor-Leste as completing permanent maritime boundaries is a national priority. This represents a final step in establishing Timor-Leste's full sovereignty and sovereign rights as an independent state. Clear and agreed maritime boundaries provide legal certainty and allow Timor-Leste to responsibly explore, manage, protect, and develop its marine and subsea resources, including energy and fisheries. The areas subject to delimitation include 4 unresolved maritime segments with Indonesia. Along the southern coast and the Timor Sea, in the north around the Oikusi Enclave, and 2 additional sections stretching from Batu Gede to Ataguru Island and through the Wetar Strait down to Jako Island, which still require delimitation.